Every student has had this problem before. It's time to plan your classes for next quarter. You know that there are some classes you must take if you want to stay on track to graduate, and there are some other electives that you want to take as well. Somewhere in the jumble of professors, sections, and requirements, there must be some optimal schedule for you. That's where we come in. Introducing the Auto Schedule Assist program, ASAP. ASAP lets you enter the classes you want, specify which classes must be included in your schedule, and generates an optimal schedule according to your needs. Developing such a useful web app is no easy task. It involves a whole team of engineers. So let's meet the team.
Hi, I'm Hung. I'm the User Interface Specialist. I help design and develop the website. I think one of the most challenging things for me is to come up with creative ways which we can implement our current technologies that is intuitive and give the user a great experience when using our website.
Hi, I'm James and I am the Senior System Analyst. I'm responsible for a functionality brainstorm and I help to fill in development gaps in the algorithm and front-end team, including general scheduling, scrapping, and UI needs. The largest challenge I had was learning to adapt to the strict time frame of the project and tuning functionality on the fly, as well as learning the necessity to compromise.
Hi, I'm Ian. Nice to meet you. I'm an algorithm specialist in Group ASAP. I'm also in charge of the design user case. The biggest challenge I face so far is that I'm in a different time zone with my groupmate this quarter, and thanks to all of them for accommodating with my schedule. It's a great quarter for me. Hope you enjoy our website. See you!
Hi everyone, I'm Will, ASAP's database specialist. For our database, I chose to use MySQL because it's fast, secure, and really popular, meaning that there's a ton of documentation to find for it online. The biggest problem I faced on this project was I'd actually never worked with a database before. Fortunately, I just used some internet tutorials, figured out the ropes, and made a pretty good database if I do say so myself. Thanks, Stack Overflow.
I'm Nathan. I was the software architect. I was responsible for client-to-server communications as well as hosting and deploying the application. I did real-time access of the UCSD scheduled classes, so this means gathering information about the current enrollment section.
Hi, I'm Brian. I'm ASAP's software development lead, and I was in charge of cape scripting, and to do so I used Python's requests, Beautiful Soup, and Selenium. One of the biggest issues I encountered was trying to get around authentication for cape since they changed that recently, maybe this year. And after spending quite a bit of time trying to figure out how to get around it, I kind of just had to compromise, kind of had to give up on getting around it. So what I'm doing now is using my own single sign-on information to get a session cookie and using that to download all the HTMLs and parse all the information from there. And that's about that.
Hi, I'm Dan, ASAP's business analyst. I was in charge of the use case diagram and making sure business rules are followed in the development process. Being a member of the schedule processing team, I focused on providing a fast algorithm to speed up the process for generating the schedule. The biggest problem I faced was to take account of different types of classes, and thanks to everyone else in the team, we eventually got it sorted out.
Hi, I'm Levante Horvath, the project manager. It is my job to delegate work in a thoughtful manner, run team meetings, assess risks, set up code reviews, and make sure that everything is on track and is of proper quality. It certainly was a challenge to manage a group of people remotely, but I'm proud of the team for making it as easy as possible.
Hi, my name is Juan and I am the Quality Assurance Lead. I was in charge with the testing phase and the testing documents, ensuring that bugs are identified. I was also tasked with keeping the consistency between different artifacts throughout the quarter. However, we have a really wonderful development team, which made my testing job a whole lot easier.
Hi, my name is Dad and I am an algorithm analyst. I was in charge of the schedule processing, scoring, and algorithm design process. One of the challenges that I faced was how to implement the algorithm efficiently, but with the help of James and other team members, we were able to overcome the obstacle and create an efficient and well-executed algorithm for our program.
Now that we've met the team, let's learn how to use the app. First, navigate to asap.ucsd.edu. you can just start using the app. No account required. First, let's create a basic schedule. I'm a computer science major, and to stay on track, I need to take these classes. Simply type the course into the search bar like so, CSE110, and we'll find a class that matches in the search result. You can even just type in the subject code like this, and it'll all show up here. So now I will start adding classes. 8A, 12, 15L. I also want to take a couple electives, maybe 151A, and just one is fine. These classes would be a lot of fun to take, but I don't need to take them all, so I will uncheck some of the must-have boxes. So this is an elective, so let's just uncheck that for now. And now I press done and generate schedule, and here we go. A very nice schedule for us with 12, 8A, 15L, and 151A. Oh, it got all our classes for us. Very nice. The schedule is not bad, but 9 AM is a little too early for me. Fortunately, ASAP gives us an option for that. So after we press done initially, we can select time preference and select late and press generate schedule. And wow, look at that. It moved the 9 AM CSE AA to the 11 AM. Much better for my preferences. ASAP gives us many other options for our schedule. So want the best professor rating for the class? Here you go. If you want the highest average GPA, here we go. If you want the lowest average time, right there. Less days, more days during the week to have classes. Early start times, late start times, and whether or not to have short gaps or long gaps. And we also have included waitlist courses to your schedule, so perhaps you're already in the course or you're fine with having to waitlist a course, you can check that. So let's say we have this schedule here, and we have CSE20 not checked as a must-have. And let's say we have a club meeting from 8 to 9. So we would put that in this section. So you just click this to minimize, click this to expand. So 8 to 9 on Wednesdays, and we click add event. So now the personal event is added. We got a confirmation message. We're going to press done, and we're going to generate a schedule. And there it is. We generated a schedule without CSE20 since it wasn't a must-have, and personal events take priority here. It took off CSE20 because there's just no way to have CSE20 with all the must-haves and a personal event. So now we have a schedule with our personal event. Very nice. Now that you have seen how to use ASAP, it's your turn. Go and generate your schedule.